Welcome back. Today in this session we will be discussing about symmetrical and asymmetrical violence. In this session we will be discussing about symmetrical design and types of symmetrical design, asymmetrical design and its importance. Symmetrical design, as we discussed earlier also in the topic principles of design. Symmetrical design is a design where both elements of each sides are equally divided and in similar location and similar size. So if you divide the design from middle, it will be equally proportional, or you can say it is just a mirror of the design. That is what symmetrical design is. For example, you can have these two images. If you take the full frame image of Taj Mahal and the image face, and if you divide from the center, both the part is equally divided, and you can say it is the reflection or mirror of the entire image. Even the human face, if you divide from center, so both the eyes and ears and everything, tongues, lips, each are equally divided. This is what symmetrical design is. So we are having different types of symmetry: reflection symmetry, rotational symmetry, translational symmetry. Translational symmetry. Reflection symmetry, just whenever you put any image just opposite or just like mirror at a equal distance, then it's a example of symmetrical reflection symmetry. Also known as the mirror effect. Reflection symmetry occurs when everything is mirrored around a central axis. It should be from center. If you start mirroring from different parts of the image, then it will be not a symmetry. The axis can be in any orientation. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal, it can be depend how you want to create diagonal, but it should be from center, and every object, every element of the design should be equally proportional to both the sides. That is what reflection symmetry is. This is rotational symmetry, where from center we start putting or rotating the all elements in your design at equal positions. This type of symmetry occurs when everything rotates around a common center. The main focal point will be the center. Along with the center, each component, each design, each element will be equally divided. The rotational symmetry can occur at any angle, frequency, as long as there's common center around which everything is rotated. That we need to take care whenever you are thinking of rotational symmetry. This is translational symmetry. It occurs when an element is repeated over different locations in space while maintaining its general or exact orientation. Just like we have studied in principles of design, the element principle, that is repetition, we just keep repeating the same element. So through that also we can create symmetry. So here we are just trying to arrange the element in the design at equal distance at an equal direction, in different direction. It happen in any direction as long as the element's orientation is maintained. This is what translational symmetry is. Now we are moving to the next, that is asymmetry. So asymmetry is quite natural. Everywhere, whenever you see, most of the things are asymmetry. If you see a tree, all the branches are in different size, different shape. So nature has given asymmetry. So asymmetry is natural. The absence of symmetry, wherever you don't find everything is equally divided, then it's a asymmetry. Such as the branches, we have given the example, the cloud shapes. Whenever you see the clouds in the sky, each are in different shape, not in same shape. That is what asymmetry is. In design, asymmetry is often used to create visual tension. Asymmetry can be a difficult concept. It's very difficult to create such kind of design, and it takes time to become a master of asymmetry. since the relationship between elements in an asymmetrical design become more complex, it might be hard to create a whole cohesive design. This is one example of asymmetry, and the web page where you can learn about asymmetry or different examples of asymmetrical violence is Alan Turing Institute website. You can visit this page and you can learn some tips how to create some asymmetrical design. And if you see this example, the left side of page has more content than the right part, but designers achieve balance by adding a contrasting element to the right page of the page. You can see here we're starting from left side of a page. When in the top you can see the name of the institute, then there is a message at the bottom left side, and just to give balance, asymmetrical balance, the green color box is created and text are also placed. So it also allow you to and attract the viewers' attention. So when asymmetry works the best, it has different attraction and different feel. When users have so many different options to choose from a site, needs to be something special to stand out from all the others and reduce bounce rate. So if you look differently, you grab the attention. Even if you are dressing differently, so people will notice in the crowd. That is what asymmetry is. When designer masters asymmetry, they create more memorable products. One of the best example of logo design is the Nike logo. So it's just create a dynamism. When web designer use the term dynamic, what they are referring to is a design in which the viewer's eye is moved around and through the design from one corner to other. Whenever you view any website, you just start moving your eye from one place to another, left to right, top to bottom. Asymmetrical design can be evoke feelings of movement. That's why so many sports brands use asymmetrical layouts. If you remember, one example is Nike here, then there is a logo of Adidas. And asymmetry in individual elements. In this session, we discussed about symmetrical design and types of symmetrical design, asymmetrical design and its importance, and how you can achieve asymmetrical design. The website we have discussed from where you can learn about the asymmetrical design. Thank you so much.